Hello there, how are you? Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make some smothered chicken. So I got some red peppers and some garlic paste and onion paste and some fresh tomatoes cut up in there. And so we're just going to stew that down with some chicken broth and just bring all of those flavors into one. Okay, and we're going to have that over some brown rice this time. Alright, so let's get started, shall we? Thank you. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below if you would like to support this channel in any way. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I have here about maybe I'd say a cup full of water. I'm going to turn the fire on, and to the water let's start adding our items. I have some chicken base or chicken broth, it could be also called. So that's equal to about a tablespoon, give or take. Okay, I have some garlic paste. So I'm going to put 2 heaping teaspoons of that. Now I have some onion paste. Let's go with 1, 2, 3 heaping spoons of that. Okay, now I want to add some Sassoon everything. Remember, seasoning is your choice, how much or little you would like. Okay, and let's go with some black pepper. And I don't know if I showed you the Sassoon everything. Let me show you that. Okay, I'll just mix that up. And I'm going to add some olive oil. Counting to 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, now I have 1 large chicken breast. Let's see how much we're going to get out of this 1 chicken breast, okay? So I want to cut in an angle. just keep cutting until you cut it all up. Okay, let's see what we get. That's pretty good for one chicken breast. Okay? Okay, we're going to put that in. Okay, I have some red red bell peppers that was frozen. I put it in the microwave on 2 minutes just now to thaw it out. I want to add this to the chicken. So that's one. Two. I'm going to put a top on there to lock the steam in for a few minutes. Let me just add these tomatoes while I'm at it. Okay, I'm going to give that 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is my. My. My house, my car, my husband, my children, my mother, my father. My represent just you. So let's represent the family and let's use our family, our children, our mother, our love of animals, our everything. Use our instead of my, and then you can incorporate the whole family, because it's not all about you. It's not about just my, it is our. That's the word of the day. Okay? Not my, our. Thank you. Okay, so our chicken has been cooking for about 5 or 6 minutes. Now let's add some, I'm going to add some chicken gravy to it, but very little. I don't want it thick as gravy, but I do want it a little thick so that it's not as watery. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to add 1, 2 heaping tablespoons, and let's see what that does. I think that's about where I want it to be. Yeah. So let me show you this. You can see it's still running off, right? But not as watery. Plus the gravy will give it a little flavor. And I want to taste it to see what I'm missing. Wow. I'm not missing anything. Really tastes good. Okay, the chicken is done. So give me a few minutes. I'm waiting on my rice, the brown rice, and then I'll serve that for you. Okay? Give me a second. Okay, so my brown rice is done. Now I'm going to put the stewed chicken that got the tomatoes and red peppers right over the rice. First I want to put the stewed part over, and then the meat right on the top. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, and let me position the camera so you can see me take a taste. 1 second. Okay, so let's taste our stewed chicken. Look at that, guys. How about that, huh? Stewed chicken and brown rice. That's good. I like the flavor. I even like the brown rice with it. And that's enough. That one big breast is enough for 2 people. So you see, you don't have to break the bank. Okay. I'm going to finish eating this, okay? It's a pleasure serving you. Check out my links below. Subscribe, share the video. And until next time, I'll bring it to you again. Thank you.